Before leaving us today, for your safety, please be cautious when opening the overhead locker. And remember to check your seat area for any personal belongings. Thank you for flying Emirates. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. If you have a connecting flight and your bags are tagged to your final destination, you must still collect them, clear customs and check them again at Emirates desk on arrival. Thank you.